Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of registering for a Mutual of Omaha life insurance policy. Whether you're looking for protection for your loved ones or planning for the future, we'll make the registration process straightforward and easy to follow. Step 1. Visit the Mutual of Omaha website. Begin by navigating to the official Mutual of Omaha website. You can do this by entering Mutual of Omaha into your preferred search engine, or you can directly type in the URL if you know it. Step 2. Explore life insurance options. Once you're on the website, locate the life insurance section. Familiarize yourself with the various life insurance products offered, such as term life, whole life, and universal life insurance. You can compare features and benefits to determine which option best suits your needs. Step 3. Get a quote. After selecting the type of life insurance you're interested in, look for a Get a Quote button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter some basic information, such as your age, gender, and coverage amount. This will help you understand the potential costs associated with the policy you're considering. Step 4. Complete the application form. If you decide to proceed, navigate to the application section. Fill out the online application form with accurate and complete information. Be prepared to provide details such as your personal identification, health history, and lifestyle choices, as this information is essential for the underwriting process. Step 5. Review and submit your application. Once you have completed the application, review all the information to ensure there are no errors. Double-check your contact details and any other critical data. After confirming everything is correct, submit your application. Step 6. Await underwriting decision. After submission, your application will undergo an underwriting process. This may take some time as the insurance company reviews your application and assesses the risk. You may be contacted for additional information during this period. Step 7. Policy issuance and payment. If your application is approved, you will receive your policy documents via email or postal mail. Follow the instructions provided to make your first premium payment to activate your coverage. Be sure to review your policy details before finalizing your payment. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video.